we have a system which correlates data points. Here's calling patterns, looks up actual consumer behavior, and then matches the consumer behavior to calling pattern and gives you a target segment with a target label, male, young. How young, I don't know. I would just say young. Now why is it young? Now what happens to the guy or the lady who is receiving the call? Most probably this person is in a relationship, the other person who is receiving the call is a lady. Now if this were to be not a local call and an international call, again let's assume that I make 3 or 4 international calls. All those calls are in the late evening hours between 9 PM and 11 PM. What would that make me? I don't know whether it would make me male or female or young or old, but I definitely know the other person can be a family member. It need not be my girlfriend. So that's the power of getting intelligent systems in place which helps you create actionable insights from data where there is none. Data is there, these things are not there. So you match profiles, you look at behavior, and you create actionable insights. So finally, the new age digital assets, which were already there, but they were never considered as assets in the telecom space, are the transaction data that you do, how many calls you make, what time you make, to whom do you make, usage patterns, how long are the calls. If I break 24 hours into 24 equal slabs, what percentage of calls are there in each hour? I can then specifically point out that you are a working professional or are you a student, depending on what volume of calls do you do in the business hours, non-business hours, morning hours, late evening hours, lot of data. Finally, social data. What are you talking about me as an operator when you are on Facebook? Are you talking good things or you say, okay, operator X sucks? Maybe. Can I listen? Now, everybody wants to listen. If you talk to companies, everybody wants to listen to what customers say about them. Do they listen? Can they listen? The question is, everybody wants to listen. Can you listen? So the tools that we have, and that's the launch we are doing in the Middle East and North African market today, leverages the assets that the customer, the operators already have, applies some black box, assume it's big data, and creates actionable insights which helps operators target customers better.